my head just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh.
Yeah, you good? I haven't seen a thumbs up yet.
Check. 3. Cut.
Main character in the middle.
I'm the main character.
Good morning.
Good morning from Lake Powell.
Good morning from Lake Powell. Part 1.
If you are new here, we hope you will subscribe to our channel. We have a really great summer coming up. We are swimming with the killer whales in Mexico. We are going to find the spotted dolphins in the Caribbean and swim with them. And then we're going to our very, very family favorite place.
Don't tell them where it is.
We're going to the best place on earth.
Stay tuned.
Okay. So we got to Lake Powell.
We came here back in 2015.
Wait, look at the dot. Hey, could you sleep on a boat?
Yeah,
Where are we?
on a houseboat.
Yeah, what's the name of the lake?
And it was a houseboat, so like it was a boat with
And
a
we
house
had
on it.
lots of our friends on it. Let's talk about our friends.
I know we about to have a good time. 'Cause I got all my friends with me. And I know everything's gonna be fine. 'Cause I got all my friends with me.
Wait for that guy.
We about to have
Oh
a
my-
good time.
I just...
'Cause I got all my friends with me. And I know everything's gonna be
Land
fine.
What? Stories about? Stories
I got all my friends with me. Yes, I do. Hey, and I know everything's gonna be fine. So I got all my friends with me. Yes, I do. Hey, and I know everything's gonna be fine. So I got all my friends with me. I know everything's gonna be fine.
Wow!
I got all my friends with me.
What was the last remaining survivor? Manila versus Ty. Okay! Whoa! That was sick. Point to the person you think is mafia, okay? 1, 2, 3, point. All right, Callie, you're dead. What were you?
Towns. Thank you. Let's go. Yeah.
Story? Dad, are you in a backpack? Sure, you fit in the backpack. You're on Dorothy's back.
And back up. Let's go. And up. And go down. And up.
You gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
I didn't have a cookie sheet on.
And we also use her water bottle as a rolling pin. That was Jess's idea.
Wow.
Then we could do 2 at once.
We had Bailey on the boat.
Oh yeah, we had a pro
Bailey
wake,
Dunn.
We had a pro wake surfer to help us learn 360s and all that.
And she's
cool
so
stuff.
good at it.
We met a gal named Bailey Dunn. When was that?
It's in Florida.
A couple years ago.
Oh my God!
Stayed in touch with her, followed her on social media, and
She the best. I don't mean like, oh, she's wonderful. She's the best. No, like, she's the actual best wake surfer maybe on the planet.
And when we're doing these trips and trying to decide like who we want to invite and trying to make like a group that'll just get along really well, Garrett was the one who's like, maybe we should invite Bailey. And I was like, there's no way she's going to want to come and hang with like families on a lake.
But let's send the invite, because imagine if she says yes. 1, she's amazing, fun, awesome human that we want to party with. And then 2, she can teach us how to become better humans and surfers.
Much to my surprise, Bailey said yes. Just show a little bit of footage here. She's insane on a wake surfboard.
Will you hold that for a second? Where do you want? Jess, we're getting an official signature of Bailey Dunn on the Bailey Dunn board.
Wow. Where do you want it?
Wherever.
Maybe down here.
Yeah.
Sharpie and all?
Wait, is this for us?
It's for everyone.
Heck yeah.
Wait, let's see it.
Official! Yeah! She makes it look so easy, huh?
Hey Bailey, lean more on your toes.
I know, right?
So she's an incredible surfer, but she's also just an incredible coach. Seeing her work with the kids and us, she helped us so much and just made the trip so special. So she does private lessons kind of around the country, maybe around the world. So here's her information. Check her out. Bailey, thank you for joining our trip.
We love you.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
Work it on out. You know you look so good.
Hold on.
Look so good. You know you got me going now. Just like I knew you would. Like I knew you would. But shake it up, baby. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Now. Come on, baby. You know you twist so fine. Twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. Twist a little closer. Let me know that you're mine.
He didn't tell me, he just looked at me and goes, you ready? Yeah. You ready?
That was crazy.
Whoa! He did it! No, you good? The big countdown. Yeah! Oh, he did it!
One second, Alan. Yeah, Cal. Yeah, buddy! Oh!
We'll pop
Hey,
it.
Cal, remember to drop that back hand. That was way better. Bend your knees, bend your knees.
Yes! There you go.
Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, baby.
Stop everything, because we're just going to give a special montage shout out. Admiration to the progress, the bravery, everything that was Jessica on this trip.
Oh, yeah? Me?
Yeah. Do you not remember where you started?
What do you mean? Oh,
You're trying 360s now. You're this close.
yeah. Yeah, that was pretty, it was one of those things where like going into this week and knowing that we had Bailey with us and you were like, you gotta try this. I've never tried a 360. I'm also just to that age where I'm like, I'm too old to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. And so
Old dog is how you're treating
Yeah.
yourself. And I don't love it.
And you can indeed teach an old dog some new tricks. Bailey can at least.
Okay.
I used to think I knew my mama through and through. Same old ways, same old days, nothing ever new. But lately something's changed. I can see it in her eyes. She's been dancing round the kitchen to my
big surprise.
That was it. That was it.
Yeah. Turns out you can teach an old mom new tricks. She's been learning all these fancy little kicks. Watch her move and groove like she's 25. Makes me feel so good to see her come alive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, mom, new tricks. Yeah, yeah. To fix this real life.
Yeah, if you give me just one night to meet you underneath the moonlight.
I gotta give a quick shout out to this camera that I've been trying out. It's the Insta360. Captures literally everything.
Yeah, buddy.
That's how we did the footage with me and Manila doing our circus show.
Got it, buddy. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, Manila. Keep going, bud. All the way to the shoulders. Okay, sit up higher. Up higher. Are you up? Up on the way. Are you up? Okay, I'm going to throw the rope, and then I'm going to give you my hand, and you climb up the rest of the way, okay? Okay. Try to be smooth about it. Yeah, buddy. Are you up? Oh, okay, I'm going to let go of my hand, and I'm going to hold your leg. Okay? No. You got this. Stay balanced. You good? Let go of my hand and stand up. I did it. You got this. Yeah! Woo! Let's go! Okay. Come down, big guy. Back down slow. Whoop. No, I'm good. Good job, man. Good job. I had to save you from the board. Man, this thing captures everything.
It's the coolest camera. I'll make a full video, like literally about that, because I'm loving it.
Yeah, and we went tubing.
Oh yeah, the tubing.
Oh yeah, we went tubing.
Dallin, thank you for trying to kill us, but also,
Yes.
he killed us.
Yeah.
You did a great job tubing, Dallin.
The memories you make as a child at the back of a boat on an inner tube, priceless.
Gotta hold my legacy, and I don't wanna die young. I know it's not my destiny. So I'm looking for my memories.
Was that too fast? They're good, all smiles. Oh! He's smiling. Oh, we're split. He's smiling. Allie, well done.
Dude, how are your fingers? Let me see them.
Whoa, dude, you're strong.
Ooh.
Kat, give me a flex.
Wow.
Yes, Dory! I haven't seen a thumbs up yet.
You okay?
Sorry, buddy. Jump in for a minute.
Take a break, take a break.
Dude, I didn't see.
And fireworks.
Oh, beautiful.
You guys are basically taking a bath right now.
Here we go. Here we go.
Liberating strife.
These are legit fireworks.
Who more than self? Well, country love. And mercy more than life. America.